Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy or duplicate shapes in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and this top side here you will find this hand and this select option. Click here and select. Now click on a shape and select. Now press right button for mouse cursor and select copy. Now press in and select paste. Also will copy this one and this one at once and press right button and select copy and press paste. See this two of this also copy. In this way you can copy and duplicate your shapes or a PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.